Hi kids, welcome back to channel. And now we're mixing the color of blue and coloring to the shapes. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we're mixing and using the color of blue. The shape of star. First we are coloring star. The next one is pentagon. The shape of pentagon. We are again using the color of blue. Now we are coloring the shape of pentagon. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, the next one is square. The shape of square. The next one is triangle. Now we are using the color of red. Now we are using the color of red. The next one is circle. The last one is trapezoid. The shape of trapezoid. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now we are coloring to the shapes. First we are using the color of red. Kids, subscribe to our channel. And now we are coloring the shape of star. First we are using the color of red and coloring the shape of star. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is pentagon. We are again using the color of red and coloring the shape of pentagon. Kids, the next one is square. The shape of square. And now we're using the color of red. The next one is triangle. Now we're coloring the shape of triangle. Subscribe to our channel. Now we're using the color of red. The next one is circle. We are again using and mixing red color. The shape of circle. Kids, the last one is trapezoid. The shape of trapezoid. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to channel. See you soon. Bye bye. Everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are drawing and coloring 2D shapes. First we are using and mixing the color of black. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, now we are mixing and using the color of black. First we are coloring the shape of star. Kids, the next one is pentagon, the shape of pentagon. Subscribe to our channel. Now we are using the color of black. Kids, the next one is square, the shape of square. We are again mixing and using the color of black. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is triangle, the shape of triangle. Thank you so much for watching. Kids, the next one is circle, the shape of circle. Now we are using the color of black. The last one is trapezoid, the shape of trapezoid. The last one is trapezoid. We are again using the color of black. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.